All right, this quick video, at least hopefully it's going to be quick, is going to show you how to set up Karel's 2 worlds for your assessment on aspect 2. So you've done this before. We're going to use your sandbox. Your sandbox feature is usually up here, or sometimes it might be down here, and we're going to create a program. I want you to put your name. Now, last time I put the word name in here, and you guys just wrote name. Put your name, right? If your name's Buckaroo, put Buckaroo aspect 2 in there. So you're going to call this name aspect 2, and we're going to create program. This will be a little bit different because we want to use some of those shortcuts that smarter Super Karel knows. Click Super Karel. That way you don't have to turn right, 3 times to turn left, or turn left 3 times to turn right. It knows some of those ones. We'll hit create program. Right. And then the other thing we want to do is we're going to edit the world. So if you'll notice on the assessment, I made these things a little bit simpler. So we're going to edit it and follow here. And the first one is fine. We want Karel facing east. That was one of Karel's worlds. We did simplify things just a little bit. Instead of a 10 by 10 world, Karel lives in a 5 by 5 world, and he's starting in east. So we'll go ahead and hit save. Just so you know, right, we can add a solution to this one. So we'll add a ball here, 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 because this is what we want the solution to look like, and we'll hit save. Okay. We'll go, and then change the name here, that's important. Call this one something significant. Facing east. And now we'll save that. Okay, we'll go back to worlds. We're still in the same program, right? Name aspect 2. We're going to add a new world. And we'll call this one facing north. So we're going to make Karel face north. We're going to simplify the world again to 5 by 5. We'll hit save. And we'll add the solution. And again, the solution will look the same in terms of the orientation of balls. Hit save. So we'll go back to worlds, back to program. And now you'll notice, right, I can write all my code here, and I can make that code work for both Karel facing east, it looks like it didn't save it, or Karel facing west. So those should be there. And again, I didn't change my name. Yours should have facing east or facing west. But this is what I'm going to check. I'm going to check that your program will run with Karel going this way, making right turns, and I'll check that your program runs with Karel going this way, making left turns. And this is where you'll write all your programs. So you've done that before. Good luck. If you need any help, you need some clarification, come see me, or come see me. You can't do that. Email me, and again, we're going to have a Google Meet on this at 10:30. I'll record it if you can't make it. Watch that recording first, and it may be helpful for you. Okay, good luck.